Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there was a special home for rabbits called the Whispering Warren. The rabbits were happy, and their burrow was a cozy place filled with laughter and friends. But one day, something really strange happened. A mysterious force came to their home, and it made the rabbits feel very sad and scared. The burrow that used to be a cheerful place turned into a confusing and scary mess. The rabbits didn't know what was happening, and it felt like a dark cloud was over their once happy home. In the middle of all this confusion, a brave rabbit named Thistle decided to find out why their home was changing. Thistle had a big heart and eyes that showed determination. So, off Thistle went on an adventure into the deep, mysterious forest to uncover the secrets behind the strange happenings. During the journey, Thistle met wise owls and other magical creatures. They shared stories and helped Thistle understand that dark magic was causing all the trouble in the Whispering Warren. It was trying to take away the happiness and peace that the rabbits loved so much. Thistle learned a lot and, with newfound knowledge, returned to the burrow. Thistle didn't face the challenge alone, other rabbits joined in, inspired by Thistle's bravery. Together, they stood strong, ready to fight against the dark magic that had brought chaos to their home. The journey wasn't easy. There were tough challenges, but Thistle and the rabbits faced them with courage. Along the way, they discovered that being together and helping each other made them stronger. The magic of their unity became more powerful than the dark force that had tried to break them apart. Finally, after overcoming many obstacles, the rabbits succeeded. The sun set, painting the sky with warm colors, and the Whispering Warren were filled with laughter once again. The rabbits, united and stronger than ever, had defeated the dark magic. Their home was no longer a confusing place, it was a cozy burrow filled with the joyous sounds of happy rabbits, and the Whispering Warren was peaceful once more. Thanks for watching. Join me on a learning adventure by subscribing to my channel. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers, your support makes a big difference.